Okay, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I decided to change a bit formatting of the video. I will continue to record my insights, my failures as a trading diary, but I also want to add some analysis that I'm doing for the market and share it also with you. I believe this thing will help me more discipline and be more conscious in the work that I'm going to do with the trading, and I believe you will like it. We'll be happy to see any of your feedbacks on this formatting. And by the way, yeah, you already see my chart. This is silver commodity, but by the way, I want to clean it up, everything, because I think it would be great to rewatch the analysis that I did. Usually I'm doing it from time to time. I think mm, at least one time per quarter, because I have a lot of drawings, and that's the thing that looking sometimes really messy, and that's why sometimes it's really help to rewatch everything from the new perspective. And let's start with the trading line as usually I'm doing. So right now in the silver we have long long trade. So what else do we have here? So usually I am doing technical analysis, so I still need to learn how to include fundamental analysis into my work. But yeah, by the way, I think it would be helpful to me. But I think I see something new here that I didn't see before, and that's really interesting. I didn't mention it previously. So let's see, it's already done. Great. I started from months checking, because I'm usually going from the big time frames to the smallest one. So what do we have here? Here it seems really interesting. No, I won't drive it here, but let's back to day. Okay, I think I got what I see. It seems like so it could be goes that way, but previously I didn't saw this figure, so at least it can goes in that part. Let's change color. So I'm not talking a lot during the analysis that I'm doing, but by the way, I think that maybe somewhere in the future I can do it. So yeah, for now I like it how it looks like. So let's back to the 4 hours. Yes, it is. It is exactly what I see. I know that different people have different approaches of doing analysis, but I see what kind of mistakes I did last 2 months with the commodities of silver and gold, and I already understand what I did wrong. So yeah, by the way, you can like my approach or not, what I'm doing, but honestly I'm just doing mostly it for myself, just to have it like usual task that I should do every single day mostly, but at least one per week, one time per week. And I think that I can put it. Nope, this is wrong. This is wrong already. Okay. It could look crazy idea, but somehow I really like it, this idea, and it seems very bad, but it could make sense. Let's just delete it for now. Let's back to our, let's pin this part. Yeah, by the way, yesterday in this part I did a lot of mistakes and lost a bit. And I have a feeling that it will go exactly into this level, right? I change color just for now. It seems like testing of this triangle that we have in our time frame. It seems like that. And by the way, I think it will be. Sometimes it's quite challenging work with iPad, but I really like this pencil for drawing. So what the actual situation we have right now seems like in the 5 minutes time frame it's going to be testing this little triangle that we found in 50 minutes, and this triangle going to test the biggest one that we have in 1 hour. And after that it seems like let me find my arrow. So it seems like it will goes in this part, then it will goes in this part, and if it goes out of this how to say diamond, yeah, if it goes out of this diamond, if it's go there, then it will test it, and after testing of it, it seems that it will be huge long, but of course don't forget about the feeble that we have, so it goes level by level, but overall it seems like it will goes up more and more. And let me see, I think that I can do a trade now. I don't wanna do like a crash, but what I realized, it's better to trade through our time frame. But here as well we have EMA 200, so we'll see how it goes. For now we have something like that. It seems like it will be still flattening a bit, and then it will go up. Of course we have scenario that in some reasons it will go down, but we have situation in the politics right now that it most probably will go up. Yeah, so what do we have here? This is already gold. So usually starting with the With the stocks that I really like to work, that is my favorite ones, that usually I do a trading on them. So yeah, it seems like really interesting situation in which we don't have anything specifically, but we have something interesting here, and it seems like what I expected months ago once it started to. So yeah. Of course, there is always another scenario. So usually I'm preparing for both scenarios, go up or down. And in this thing, let's just pin it. So this is my predictions. I am not a finance analyst. I'm not a guru on that things. I'm just learning. I took two courses that I really enjoy to do. And yeah, by the way, if you agree with my predictions, of course you can use them for yourself, or you can try, by the way. But usually I'm doing in that way. And yeah, here we have this. So gold could be even 7,000. Nice. It's really nice. No. Yes, so what do we have here? Let's back to 1 hour time frame. So the situation in next seems like it will test this triangle. Also, we have there MI 200. That's really big level. I would say what else? Then it seems like it will go up, even could stack here a bit or go up more. Then if it will goes up of the triangle, of course it will test it, but definitely it goes to 1 and 6 Fibonacci level. After 1 and 6 it could test into this level or even inside the triangle. Usually gold really likes to do it. And after those things, oops, the wrong arrow, then it will goes up level by level, and seems like it will goes to even 7,000. So it seems like really great. So yeah, I did some mistakes in gold already. Mostly of them it's related to the thing that I decided to trade even during flooding. Yeah, could be the thing that I'm not usually taking the right term of the explaining all of this thing that I'm doing, but usually I'm working in the completely different language, but decided to do it with this one. So in the oil, I already did really good prediction. I don't want to change it. And few months ago, I think in 2025, I already did prediction for the future, and I said that I'm waiting for the huge long. I didn't know when it's happened, but I waited for that. And exactly it happened like last week when we had this really horrible situation in the Middle East with Iran, and yeah, I've been waiting for that. And then of course I did the trade, but before the flight on Friday I just closed it in really great profit for me. And right now I don't want to just clean these drawings, I just want to check what's going on. We have gap that usually oil just should go and back to this gap definitely, but this is in the week. In a day, what do we have? We have that it seems like it's going to test this wedge. Yeah, this thing that we have here, definitely. And in the 4 hours, so yeah, it seems like it wanna go up already, but let me just clean this stuff. But I have feeling that no, it still seems like a bit unpredictable for me, because you see here is EMA 200. It seems like it will go up. It could go up, and right now, do I want to buy it or not? It's still open question for me, honestly, and I'm trying not to, hurry on those decisions. But I have feeling, so here we already down of the EMA 200, but it seems like we started to a bit flatting, so market not fully understand where it should go. And even we have, yeah, so it could go down and even test the wedge that I had, and then go up as well. So I would even put another alarm for myself here, maybe somewhere. No. Just a second. Yes, so I will put alarm for myself here even, because it seems like if we will go by rules, it seems like it should test like huge wedge that we have. It didn't test yet, and then go up. But also it could be that it's testing like this little thing and then go up. But again, here is EMA 200 and here's EMA 202, and here's already started to go upper. Okay, it seems like that people will buy it, but I'm not so sure on that, so I won't do any trades on this thing right now. So what else I really like to check, it is crypto, by the way, Bitcoin mostly. Usually I'm trading in 4 hours, so it helps you not to do a lot of mistakes. And what do we have here? Here I'm still waiting, because I'm waiting that price will go down to 33,000. Then what do we have here? We got those things. Okay, it seems like it's right now will be flat a bit, so let's wait for the few days or even hours, and then we will see if we can enter for this trade, because yeah, the Bitcoin will go down, but the thing is, if it will go a bit testing up and then go down, or what it could be. So that's why let's wait more for those things. Also, I like this stock of the US 30, and for now it seems like it goes by my prediction. So what do we have? Like, you see, usually my drawing is really messy, but for some of the stocks I'm not changing it. I really like it. because I'm doing prediction for them like once per month or something like that, and then just monitoring, sometimes entering the trade, sometimes not. So it depends, right? It depends. So what do we have here? A huge long trend. Let's start with those things. Right now it seems like it's going to be a bit down, and also we already got 1 and 2 and 3 and 6, 3 and 6 and 1 and 2 Fibo, both Fibos. So after those, it seems like it will go definitely down in a weekly. So it could be down in this part, I think so. Let's see on the daily part, and we have EMA 200. So it seems like it will go, so even for testing. It will go down definitely. What do we have here? We have here wedge. Pardon. Yeah, definitely it will go down. So let's back to the daily time frame. So it will go down, it will test, and after testing of the middle of this channel, it can go up again, or it can go down on this channel and then go up again. So it seems like that. Definitely it seems like that. So it should be monitoring more. So yeah, by the way, I just did a short check together with you of my favorite stocks that I'm doing usually and trading usually. But by the way, if you're interested in any, I don't know, shares or any other stocks, commodities, please text in the comments. So each week I'm planning to post such videos. Each week I'm planning to do some kind of analysis and see how it goes, what I should prepare, and checking what it's been before. So I think it will help me to, you know, to be more disciplined in those, you know, trading development and getting it more and more better each month, and more better analysis and predictions, you know, trainings and so on and so forth. But this is my approach. This is what I'm doing, how I'm doing, and how I learned to do. So if you're really interested in those things too, just let me know. And maybe for the last thing, let's check one of the shares. Let's check Apple. I know that it should grow. So this is some predictions that I did a few months ago. So we have channel here. It still seems like it goes and work in this channel. This is already not working. This is not. Okay, usually I'm not doing for the smallest time frames any shares, but yeah, it seems like that Apple will go up and then maybe it will go up again, but again, I'm not sure. So the scenario could be the thing that we will go up here, then we will go down here, then we will go up again, down for testing this triangle, and then go up. We will test again this channel. Could be that we will go back after this channel, yeah, or we will test it again and then go up. But if we check like previous periods, it seems like it will just testing it. It's not going somewhere upper than this channel. But by the way, it's quite interesting thing. Yeah, so this is the thing that we have for Apple. So yeah, thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching this analysis. This is my first time that I'm doing for the audience and for YouTube. Usually I'm doing for myself only without any speeches and any explanations. And by the way, if you enjoy it, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will really appreciate it. For me, it means a lot. And thank you for being with me, and see you in the next videos, any next my analysis that I will do in the future. Thank you.